Welcome to MindXY, your channel for logical thinking and puzzle solving. This problem comes from a mathematics competition. At first glance, it looks complicated. Square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x plus 2 equals square root of 3x plus 6 plus square root of 3x plus 1. 4 radicals, 2 on each side. If we try to square everything immediately, we'll end up with a quartic equation. That means powers of x up to 4? That's messy. Instead, let's slow down and look carefully. Compare what's inside the square roots. X plus 7 minus x plus 2 equals 5. 3x plus 6 minus 3x plus 1 also equals 5. Both differences are equal to 5. This is a useful observation. Let's call this relation equation 1. It tells us the difference between the two radicals on the left is the same as the difference between the two radicals on the right. Now, each linear term can be expressed as the square of its square root. X plus 7 equals square root of x plus 7, all squared. X plus 2 equals square root of x plus 2, all squared. 3x plus 6 equals square root of 3x plus 6, all squared. 3x plus 1 equals square root of 3x plus 1, all squared. From equation 1, we can now write square root of x plus 7, all squared, minus square root of x plus 2, all squared, equals square root of 3x plus 6, all squared, minus square root of 3x plus 1, all squared. This is a difference of squares on both sides, so we factor each side. On the left, square root of x plus 7 minus square root of x plus 2 multiplied by square root of x plus 7 plus square root of x plus 2. On the right, square root of 3x plus 6 minus square root of 3x plus 1 multiplied by square root of 3x plus 6 plus square root of 3x plus 1. Notice something important. This is the original equation. That means the sum terms are equal. So in our factored equation, the sum terms cancel out. What remains is square root of x plus 7 minus square root of x plus 2 equals square root of 3x plus 6 minus square root of 3x plus 1. Now we have two equations. Equation 2. The sum of the square roots equals the sum of the other square roots. Equation 3. The difference of the square roots equals the difference of the other square roots. Add equation 2 and equation 3 together. On the left side, the plus and minus cancel, leaving 2 times square root of x plus 7. On the right side, the plus and minus cancel, leaving 2 times square root of 3x plus 6. So we get 2 times square root of x plus 7 equals 2 times square root of 3x plus 6. Divide both sides by 2. That gives square root of x plus 7 equals square root of 3x plus 6. Square both sides. X plus 7 equals 3x plus 6. Simplify, subtract x from both sides, and we get x equals 1/2. Finally, check the solution by substituting x equals 1/2 into the original equation. Left side, square root of 7.5 plus square root of 2.5. Right side, square root of 7.5 plus square root of 2.5. Both sides are equal, so the solution is correct. Therefore, the answer is x equals 1/2. What's remarkable here is that we avoided a quartic equation entirely. By noticing the equal differences inside the radicals, we reduce the problem to a simple linear equation. This is a common Olympiad technique. Look for structure before applying brute force. It saves time, avoids messy algebra, and reveals the elegance hidden in the problem. If you enjoyed unraveling this mathematical mystery with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into math and science. Let us know in the comments what other puzzles we should explore next. Thanks for watching.